was out in the yard gardening. He was in our yard, and he was in the yard next door, which we also own. And about a couple hours later, he started breaking out. And he had poison ivy, poison oak, poison sumac, one of those things you don't want to get. And of course, we don't have any idea if it was our yard or the yard next door. Now, my son in law came over, and he has an app on his telephone that you take a picture of the flower or the leaf or whatever, and it'll tell you what it is. We decided that it would be very cool to take pictures of our old videos and be able to tell you what kind of flower it is, because people like to know that. So we did the same thing, except we just used our pictures and snapped a picture of it, and it pulled it up and let us know what they were. Now, the bad part is sometimes you still have to guess at it. You know, the picture's there, but there's a whole bunch of pictures and they look pretty close, and you can't walk around the plant to see what it is because, of course, it's only a picture. But I think it did pretty good. But what I would like from you guys is please let me know if I have them marked wrong so I can get it corrected. I think in the future, being able to take a picture of the flower while we're there and get the name of it will be very helpful. Please take a second to comment, subscribe, ring the bell to get notices of new videos, and please give a thumbs up.